Greetings from the Keystone How-To Series. We've been cooking up a brand new guide for you. In this episode, we'll show you all the steps you need to create a beautiful outdoor grill station with our 3-piece Country Manor retaining wall system. Brought to you by Keystone, retaining excellence. This project requires a few unique materials and supplies. Specifically, you'll need a grill insert, access doors for the propane compartment, and countertops cut to size. You'll also need a steel lintel to support your grill insert and countertop. Take note of the dimensions of each. You'll only need a few simple tools to complete this project. The only unique tool you'll need is a wheel grinder with a masonry disc to notch out a few blocks to fit the steel lintel. A great project is a safe project. Always remember to wear the right safety gear when building. You'll also want to call 811 to check for buried utility lines before you begin. Our grill station can be placed directly on a stable patio surface or supported by a concrete or crushed stone leveling pad below grade. For this guide, we'll be using the crushed stone option. To start, use a shovel to excavate your project area to a depth of 12 inches. Remove any large stones and debris, then use a hand tamper to compact the base. While compacting along the way, place even layers of crushed stone a few inches at a time to a depth of 6 inches. Nailed it! We're ready for the first course. Start by installing the Country Manor blocks according to the first course layout plan. There should be a 6-inch space around the perimeter of the course. Make sure the course is both level and squared before moving on. Use a level and a dead blow hammer to make small adjustments. Insert pins into these center holes. Check out our quick tip about our pin system to learn more. Using the second course layout plan, install the Country Manor units by aligning the bottom channels with the pins in the course below. Make sure you dry fit the second course by placing your blocks on the first course without securing them. Once you're satisfied with the layout, remove a few blocks at a time and apply 2 1/4-inch strips of concrete block adhesive to the first course. Replace the units to fix them and repeat this process around the entire second course. For courses 3 through 7, we'll be alternating between course layout A and B. Repeat the same installation process through the 6th course layout. Wow, we're making progress. We now have a compartment for our gas tank and a compartment for our built-in grill. Let's keep on going. Follow this layout for the 7th course and just for now, dry fit the blocks because the countertop and grill will need some added support from a steel lintel which will embed into the course. To do this, make a mark on the blocks that the lintel will come in contact with and notch out the unit tops using a wheel grinder with a masonry disc so the lintel is flush with the top of the block units. Once you're finished, remove a few blocks at a time and apply 2 1/4-inch strips of adhesive on the 6th course. Then replace the units you removed from the 7th course. Repeat the process to secure the course in place. Now for the countertops. The material is up to you, but make sure you get it cut to these dimensions. We recommend installing it in pieces. It makes things much easier to work with. Apply 2 1/4-inch strips of adhesive on top of the course as you place each piece of the countertop. Carefully place a few blocks on top to anchor the countertop while the adhesive fixes. Grab a drink and wait 15 minutes before moving on. That's a nice countertop. Let's move on and build the back wall. For the back wall, use this layout for the 8th course. Dry fit and secure the blocks in place using the same method from the previous steps. Finally, adhere more of your countertop material to the top. Almost there. Now for the finishing touches. There are many options for your grill and propane access door, so they should be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Take note of the dimensions of the openings so you know what to look for. Warm up the grill and get some burgers ready because you're about to enjoy one fantastic barbecue. You'd be surprised to see just how many beautiful projects you can complete with our 3-piece Country Manor system. Check out more animated how-tos, printable guides, and other ideas on our website at keystonewalls.com. Brought to you by Keystone, retaining excellence.